Kanina talaga, as an excited mother, ano talaga, 6:45 nagising ako. Eh, walang alarm, walang anything. Tumayo talaga ako. Darla the Buddha.
Kung princess yun sa kabila, ako Buddha.
Yeah, naman. Hello. Ikaw yung alay.
Sa kanong ko ano-ano, sabi niya, Mama, I hope you don't mind. Sabi ko,
Okay.
yes. Hilo-hilo pa ako. I just have to know, are you pregnant? Sabi ko, no, I'm not pregnant, Doc. Nakakaloka.
Eh, chararat daw, sabi nitong si Alex.
Anong chararat?
Jared yung unattractive.
Pinaganda mo pa. Pangit.
Kapag ikaw nagbiro, kahit masakit, okay lang.
Kaya nga joke yun, hindi ka dapat nasasaktan doon.
Is this real life?
I was wondering, can I have your number?
I poop at parties. I poop at parties, but people don't know because I close the door.
Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet.